and Alisa, thank you. To my Constance, Krista and Rachel, to the trio, Samson, Mark, and Charles, and to the unexpected best people, Sandra and Clyde, Jessica and Tina, and how could I forget my tropang tutay? Ivy, Kim J, Ives, Bentley, Matthew, Pagkal, and Kylie. I wish that I could mention you all today. But we all know that it would take hours for me to do that. But thank you for the memories. This day may mark the day that we part ways, but please remember that all of you will have a special place in my heart. To our batch, I am so proud of how far we've come. Let this day be a reminder that we may part ways, but there will always be memories that we can bring and come back to. And who knows, maybe we can recreate. It is officially our last dance. And I am so proud of how far we've all come. And to my family, to my never-ending supportive parents, Mom Bing and Dad Jay, and to my brothers, Kuya Aboy, Kuya Api, my guardian, Tito Alex, and my Lola Shuri. Out of all the people I've met today, I hope that you know that I am all that I am because of you all. You guys always say that you are lucky to have a child like me, but I am more lucky to have parents like you, a family like us, just like our batch. We are all lucky to have proud parents like you. I know I may not be expressive at home, but thank you, and I love each of you. And to God, all this gratitude is directed back to Him. We are all standing here today because of His guidance, just because of Him. May we all remember that God is the center of it all, that we may face rejection, but it is just a redirection, that we may be delayed, but never denied. And I am a living testimony to that statement. So, whatever path we take, I hope that we trust in God's plan. It says in Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. So, we may part ways, but please remember that we all have our own pace. We must not rush things. So if you were delayed, or if you think that you were denied, or if you stumbled, it is never too late to get back up and say, hindi ako natatakot sa'yo. Remember that. So as we part our ways, may we remember and hold in our heart this truth. As we turn the page to the next chapter of our lives, the best things in life may take a little longer to come. But look at how worth it they are in the end. Congratulations, Batch 2025. Reach for the stars, and to God be all the glory. But wait, there's more. To our proud parents, we have prepared something special for you. To my fellow graduates, I invite you all to stand up and let us give our token of appreciation to our best parents ever.
Dear Mom and Dad, dear Mama, dear Mom and Dad, dear Mama, Papa, and Ate, dear Mama and Papa. Hi, Mom. Alam ko hindi tayo bukal sa bahay, pero kayo po kung gusto na. Sorry kasi sa mga material na ginawa mo this school year.
Nagpukwenta mo kasi hindi kayo makatulog pagka hindi ako nakatulog.
Minsan, hindi ko na-reach yung expectations mo kasi hindi ako nakatulong sa kaya. Hindi po ko yung inaawala yung nakatulog sa may bahay. Sorry din po sa mga kasalanan na po.
I'm sorry for everything, Mommy and Daddy, kasi I feel so panarin siguro.
Minsan may mga times na hindi ako sumusunod sa inyo at nag-rebelde ako.
Sorry for making you mad when you're stress.
Marami ang nagagawang kasalanan sa'yo.
Kahit na napakasaway ka man rebelde ako man kanina may tampuhan tayo.
Diyan, hindi ko makatab yung anger ko. I'm not a perfect guy. I'm not a perfect kid. I always make mistakes and I might disappoint you sometimes, but I do appreciate all the things you have done for me.
Kahit hindi ko man kayo na bibigyang katutuan pagdating sa academics.
You still look up to me kahit hindi na ako pinapagalit sa school.
Kahit hindi ko binigay yung best ko, pinakita niyo pa rin na deserve ko sa paaralan na to.
At least alam ko naman na ito. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you guys kasi kayo yung puno ng pag-decide na ganito ang dati. Even though sometimes I think it really troublesome inside the household.
Dahil may hirap na yung pinagdadaanan ko. Hindi ko na alam yung gagawin.
Ang pinaramdam mo sa akin ni tunay na pagmamahal ng ama at ina.
Lagi mong tatandaan na sobrang appreciate ko yung ginagawa mo sa akin.
Nagiging yan para sa akin.
If it weren't for you, I wouldn't be standing here today.
At mga efforts mo ay para sa mga katulog.
Sana.
Sana.
Sana. Sana.
Sana.
Sana.
Sana.
Sana. Hanggang mabot namin yung pangarap ka. Kayo lagi ang aking support system, lalo na pag kailangan ko.
Magiging successful din ako balang araw. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan.
Sana po na magkaroon pa ng good health palagi and to always be with us and come life.
Sana andyan pa rin kayo. Gumagabi sa akin na ito.
Sana hindi mawala yung love na meron tayo as a parent and daughter relationship. Sana proud ko kayo sa I promise. I promise.
I promise.
I promise.
I promise. I promise to be more diligent and more thankful for what I have right now. Dami sa inyong mga graduate ko.
I promise you that everything that you have sacrificed for me, I will make it up to you. And all your efforts for me to become the best person I am won't go to waste. Para pagkaroon ako ng maayos na trabaho. And successful na ako sa buhay. Hindi na kailangan na magtrabaho pa. And hindi na ma-interrupt yung mga career niya dahil ba?
I don't want to give you a promise, but it's sure na may mapay na ito for sure. Kasi nagpapangsa ng process sa buhay. Kasi thank you kasi. Thank you kasi.
Thank you kasi. Thank you kasi.
Thank you kasi. Thank you kasi. Thank you kasi.
Thank you kasi.
Thank you for
Especially sa pag-aaral ko.
binigay niyo sa akin yung opportunity to study, especially the times when I wasn't feeling the brightest. I wasn't really shining the brightest from you.
And to my dearest mom, thank you for always being my number one supporter. And sa lahat ng sacrifices mo sa akin mula pagkabata.
Thank you dahil dito niyo ako pinag-aaral.
At kahit lagi ako pasawan,
Pinagtagaan niyo mga galing ko kahit ito ako. And maraming salamat po dahil binigyan niyo po ako ng chance para makapag-aaral kahit alam ko kung mahirapan na po kayo. Thank you so much for supporting me in everything I have interest in, sa lahat ng mga bagay na gusto ko pong gawin.
and na-appreciate ko po yun sobra-sobra. I hope that in the future, God will continue to bless us, and when we can finally reunite again, I hope that we can continue to be a happy family together.
Thank you guys so much. I love you all.
I love you, Mom and Dad. I love you. Thank you, and I love you. I love you, Mama and Papa. Always in all.
Thank you and I love you.
Thank you, and I love you.
Thank you, Janelle, for being one of the finest GCE leaders.
We would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the parents for their never-ending support for their children in exhibiting their potential.
John 16.